Welcome back, students. So as I told that we would be starting the exercise, and in the previous video I would explain the concepts. So I'm starting with exercise 5.1, okay, of your NCERT. Okay, question number 1. So question number 1 says that you have to express this in the form of A plus IB. Express, I'm writing here, express in A plus IB form. Okay, your first question is this one. Okay, question number 1 to 10 says that you have to express in A plus IB form. Okay, so starting with this. Now if you see this carefully, okay, what you can do, okay, multiply the real part and imaginary part. So this you can write as 5 into minus 3 by 5 and I into I. Okay, so this 5 multiplied by this minus 3 by 5 and this I into this I minus I. Now let's say the minus I have taken here and this I into I. So 5 and 5 cancelled. So minus 3 I into I is I square. Okay, like in algebra you have x into x is equal to x square. So I into I is equal to I square. I square into I will be I cube. So this way it will continue. No? Alright, iota, imaginary numbers like this, and we know that I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 into minus 1 because I square is equal to minus 1. So I square is equal to minus 1. So we get minus minus plus. So 3. Now see, question is saying you have to express in the form of A plus IB. Okay, you have to express in the form of A plus IB. So this I can write as, this is only real part. Okay, so I can write this as 3 plus 0I. This is the form of A plus IB. A plus IB. Okay, in your NCERT they have just given 3. Okay, the answer they have given as 3, but you write this as 3 plus 0I. Are you following, students? So in this way you will solve the questions. Now see question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Your question number 2 is I raised to the power 9, I raised to the power 9 plus I raised to the power 19 plus I raised to the power 19. Okay, you have to solve this. To solve this, now you should keep in mind, okay, let me take the blue. As I told, I square is equal to minus 1. We know that, student, I square, see on the right side, I square is equal to minus 1. So what do you mean by I4? I4 is equal to I square into I square. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to positive 1. This means this I9 I can express in the form of I4. Okay, so I4 is equal to 1. Okay, I4 is equal to 1. Okay, see, I have explained here. Okay, I square is equal to minus 1, right? So I4 is equal to I square into I square, so minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. So I raised to the power 4 is equal to 1. So I will take this 9 and write in this form. So I raised to the power 9 is equal to I4. I can write this to 4 to the 8 into I. Okay, because when base is same, power will be added. All this is very elementary. You studied this in your exponents in 8th class. So okay, 4 to the 8, and this is I raised to the power 8 into I raised to the power 1 is equal to I raised to the power 9. So I raised to the power 4 is 1. So 1 square into I. This dot is multiplication. Okay, so 1 square is 1 into I. So I9 is equal to I. Okay, next number you have I19. So I19 is equal to, same thing we will write in I raised to the power 4. Okay, so I 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16 into I cube. Okay, this I cube again I can split. Okay, so I4 is 1. So 1 raised to the power 4 into I square into I. This I cube I have again split, students. Okay, I square into I. So this is 1. I square is equal to, okay, minus 1 into I. So minus 1 into I will give me minus I. Okay, so these are the two values of one value we got for I9 and one value of I9, and the question is saying addition. So we will add this. So I plus minus I. So this is equal to 0. Okay, so how to express in the form of A plus IB? You will write this 0 plus 0I. Okay, in NCERT they are leaving till here. Okay, Okay, but you express in this form a plus ib, okay, 0 plus 0i. Are you following, students? Okay. Okay, students, so in this way you will solve questions 1 to 10. Okay, just try next 2-3 questions. Okay, just try next 2-3 questions. Okay, then I will explain you more questions of different types. Okay, so study well and all the best.